Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna be making Kisir salad, a very famous Turkish salad. The ingredients that we're gonna be needing for this are about 2 cups of bulgur. It's a very thin bulgur. We're also gonna be needing scallions and also thinly chopped parsley. I'm using about 2 spoons of tomato paste, and also this is pepper paste, which is very spicy because I like it spicy. Also gonna be using cucumber. Optionally, you can also use chopped tomato or even some pepper. Also gonna be using about half of lemon squeeze, a few tablespoons of oil. We're also gonna be using this, it's actually a pomegranate molasses, and also some spices. This is salt, cumin, some pepper. This is a mix of curcuma and other stuff, and this is
paprika.
Okay, so to get started, we're gonna be using a large bowl. We're gonna put the bulgur in it. All right. Pouring some water. This is about enough. I'm gonna be giving it a stir. I'm gonna use like and leave it to rest.
A few moments later.